Hello and welcome to our September edition of our Property Market Wrap. Spring is here and it's time to get ready for the busiest time of the year in our property markets. So let's find out how things are looking. At its September meeting, the Reserve Bank of Australia decided to keep the official cash rate on hold at 1.5%. This was no surprise as we only just got a cut from the RBA last month. Analysts are saying that it will probably be the last cut this year, so we should be making the most of the great interest rates that are available at the moment instead of waiting for more cuts. Let's have a look at how the property markets are doing. Auction activity is slowly starting to pick up in our largest capital cities. Victoria held 826 auctions during the week, ending September 4, and achieved a clearance rate of 79%. New South Wales also had 715 with a clearance rate of 84. Other markets were slower to respond after the arrival of spring, with Queensland holding 135 auctions with a clearance rate of 58%, SA 73 auctions with a clearance rate of 81%, and ACT 76 auctions with a clearance rate of 78. Northern Territory and Tasmania have also been slow, with NT holding just 6 auctions with a clearance of 40% and Tasmania holding 7 auctions which achieved no sales. Let's look at movements in home values over the last month. Sydney achieved an increase of 1.44% and Melbourne 1.49%. Darwin had a bit of a jump at 4.07% and Canberra rose 2.77%. There was a marginal upward movement less than 1% in the Brizzy Gold Coast market, and in Perth marginal downward movements of less than 1% were recorded in Adelaide and Hobart. After last month's rate cut, most of the lenders lowered their interest rates on home loans, particularly owner-occupied loans, but some lenders have only passed on part of the rate cut to homeowners. So it's a good idea to give us a call and see if you still have the most competitive loan for your needs. So if you've been thinking about switching to a fixed rate home loan, then give us a call. There are also some good deals around for refinancing. Many of you in the market to purchase a property this spring have already talked to us about getting pre-approval on your home loans. But if you haven't called us yet, then pick up the phone. Spring is rush season for property buyers, so get your loan organised now and make sure that you don't miss out on the home that you want. That's it for Property Market Wrap this month. I'm Michael Gurner and I'll see you again next month.